Hello, my name is Jason, and in this video series, I want to help you get more acquainted with Blender 2.8, the newest version of Blender that is currently available. Although this version is not completely finished yet, you can still download it from builder.blender.org. As of now, they have completed their changes to the user interface, UI. So now is a great time to get started using the new version, or get started using Blender as a whole. Without further delay, let's get started. When I start using any program, I like to go into the user preferences and look at the options. This is a great way to get a feeling for the settings of the program. Blender's user preferences may seem complicated, but it gives you a lot of options that you can customize your user experience. Blender has many settings, and I recommend looking at them all before starting to use the program. However, in this case, the settings that we are interested in are the add-ons. Add-ons can change the way that you interact with Blender. Some of the ones that I have include Add Mesh Extra Objects, Add Mesh Geodesic Domes 2, Import Exports, including Import-Export UV Layout, and Cycles Render Engine. The next thing that I suggest looking at is the key map options. In my case, I like going with right for selecting and select all toggles. So whenever you press A, it will select all, and then whenever you press A again, it will deselect all. I don't generally change any other settings except for the file paths. I like to, instead of having temporary files go into user data, I like to change that so it's going straight into the C drive. In a temporary folder, or I call it TMP. And then we save our current state. And we're all good.